We were trying to go get some food. Chase was trying to get some food from a beautiful place called Karen's Custard, but they are closed. I didn't know everybody closed for New Year's Day. Dark.
I'm gonna see if substation's open.
They look closed. Dang, everywhere is closed for New Year's. I didn't know that everywhere closed for New Year's. We're gonna get some food right now, and then, oh no, they're open. We're gonna get some food right now, and then we have a little unboxing video for y'all. Y'all will see in a little bit.
You struggling?
It's actually heavy, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, my dress, bro. Something my dress. Check 1, 2. Let me get my lighting, you know what I'm saying? I'll be a little black, you feel me? Look at that. Alright. I've never done a sit down video before. No, it's not. It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing video. I've never done something like this before where I just sit down in the house and, you know, talk about something or do something. So this is the first time. You're weird. But we're gonna get on to it. We're gonna get on with it. If y'all hear wind in the background, don't mind that because it is in a storm right now.
We're gonna die.
He's gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna pray, you know what I'm saying, make sure I'm okay.
It's not a horror movie or anything like that.
Black people always die first in horror movies, which is terrible.
Yeah.
We're gonna get on with the unboxing, which, I'm not gonna lie, I already unboxed most of it. Y'all haven't seen it. I've had these stuff for like November or something. And then the bumper, don't even, cause not even Vert, bro. You such a liar. Some of them I had since November, some I had since December. So, you know, it's a new year. I hope y'all have a blessed year. Stop laughing at me.
Yeah. Happy 2020. Two. Dude, don't knock over the camera.
The first thing coming up.
Wait, are you guys just sitting at your phone or your computer doing nothing at all? Well, what you should be doing is coming to the Too Clean YouTube channel, which you're watching this on right now, and subscribe. Tyreek puts a lot of work into his videos, and I put a lot of work into editing them, so it would be very appreciated if you guys come over here and just, you know, click it. It's free. You can always unsubscribe. It's free. Thank you guys very much.
We got the first thing coming up.
Hey.
So the first thing coming up, were my cheeks on your face, bro? Coming up, you know what I'm saying? We have the, all right, so we got that KBD bumper. We got the KBD. Don't mind the stuffed animals in the back, you know, we just don't mind that. All right, I had to cop the KBD, you already know. That's a must, bro.
I'm about to buy a KBD bumper too.
It's a KBD lip, bro. This man keeps saying he's gonna buy a KBD bumper. It is a KBD lip. I got this. I've had planned to get this, but like I haven't because. But I got it on Cyber Monday because, you know, they had a deal going on, and I got me about like $75 off. Get them deals, kids. I'm gonna give y'all a little in-depth look of the KBD. This man is always matching his phone case. Just look at him. This is goofy. This is the KBD bumper. It is a rep of the Behrman bumper or whatever you want to call it. You know, they come with like some of the grooves cut out already. You just gotta obviously drill through them. One right here and one right there for the clips. And so that makes it a lot easier to get the bumper on, obviously. The only thing you really have to do is find your own holes for your grill. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Has that built-in front lip, and it's a big body other than the frog looking stock bumper, and it already has, you know, holes and spaces for fog lights or turn signals or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, weird. We're gonna get right on to the next thing. I'm pretty sure y'all already seen the title or whatever of the video.
See, you acting like we make thumbnails with like Photoshop, but we really be using Snapchat.
Yeah, we use like Snapchat for thumbnails. Like, bro, we be using these emojis. It's terrible.
You wait.
Chase does that. Okay.
Football.
As y'all can see, your boy is going with bags. Yes, I know.
Being static, dude.
I get it.
Come on.
I get it. I love y'all static dudes. I do. But for the sake of my build, I want to do bags. And it's just a lot more practical for me. As I can see, I went with the True Heart air struts. And right now I have True Heart coilovers on my car, which they will be for sale. But one of my homies already finna buy them. So you already know. We got the True Heart sticker that I paid a lot of money for. That came with some free bags. Anyways, let's actually unwrap these bad boys.
Wait. It's not actual bubble wrap.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look. No, it's not. Let's get these bad boys out. Woo! Why is it so hard to come out? Here it goes. The True Heart. The True Heart. But as you can see, like, you can still like adjust these, like you do coilovers and stuff. Like you can still, I'm gonna max them out, so it don't really matter. But
Let me see.
you wanna see them? Be careful and delicate. A lot of people, the thing about bags, a lot of people don't know is that they're actually really durable. Oh, they can pop this and that, and they can pop this and that. Yes, they can. But it's all about how you install it. And the install is what really matters, because if you don't install it right, the bags can rub against something and actually break. Bags are really reliable.
They're maxed out.
It's just the matter of taking care of them and stuff like that, which a lot of people don't do. Not a lot of people don't. I wouldn't say that, but you know, it's fine. If I'm gonna box the rear struts, it's the same thing. It's just that the only difference really is, y'all should know.
Are they longer?
I just don't wanna. Yeah, they're a little bit longer, and then like they actually have like the. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Yes, I've seen a lot of bags in my life. I bagged 4 cars.
He's never been in a bagged car. All right, the next box is where's my address? It's right here. It's focusing, I can't really tell. This is the Airlift 4-gallon tank. It's not on this side.
Dang!
I low-key just dropped that really hard. All I did, I went with the simple polished tank. I really like this look.
You sure it's a tank, bro?
Dude, why does this keep... What? Bro, this stupid paper. I've already looked at all of this stuff. I'm just unboxing it for the video. Huh? Evan, if you're watching this, you're stupid.
It looks so much longer, like, looking at it.
Oh, it's not what it looks like. How'd I catch you lagging is bad, bro.
This is a 4-gallon polished tank.
I guess it even got 2 holes.
It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Well, other than the brackets. As you can see, attention to detail. It says Airlift Performance. Right there. I don't know if it's backwards on the camera. It might be. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. I gotta clean that. My fingerprints is all over it. But yeah, like I said, if y'all have any ideas on what I should do for a trunk setup, just let me know, please. I mean, I have a few ideas. Bro.
What?
I don't think it's like rubbing me with your toe. But it's pretty long. Big butty bends, you know, I used to be dusty. Alright. I got allergy. For the most anticipated box, in my humble opinion, there's nothing on the box. Why are you lifting it up?
Oh, I was just gonna show them the box.
There's nothing on the box.
Look at the box. Oh.
Is it that heavy?
To me it is, I'm weak as heck. I sit in my room all day and play Minecraft. What do you think I'm doing?
Yeah, he does. Chase is a weirdo. You know what I'm saying? We got the cardboard. Ow! Why did that actually hurt? That's just some hardware.
Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts.
So this box, it is the Air compressor right here. For right now, I'm only going with one compressor. I don't feel like taking it out of the plastic right now because it's just gonna go right back in. But supercharger? Don't play. For right now, I'm only going with one compressor.
I would comment more, but I don't know jack about bags, so it's all him.
He don't. There wasn't really much to the compressor. Just, you know, y'all know what compressors do. There's not really much to explain. I will be making an installation video on installing the bags probably in a couple weeks or so. I'm not sure.
Video too, y'all.
Chase will sadly be in the video.
Look forward to it.
Well, I look forward to putting it on.
Y'all get to meet my dad too.
Oh yeah, his dad will be helping with the install. So y'all will meet him and his crazy build.
Yeah, you can show them the build, bro.
Yeah, I can show y'all the build. I won't tell y'all what it is right now, but it is very crazy. I think some of this is just hardware down here.
Why are you looking at the box like that?
Alright, these are just hardware, the hoses, fittings, and stuff. But
I love how he's taking all these expensive parts and just punching the boxes, bro.
That's what you do when you got money. I lied.
It's like, I lied.
My pockets is dry. Y'all see that? Ooh, it looks backwards on the camera. What? Does it look backwards on the camera? You already know. But I'm looking mad because like, I don't think Airlift gave me a sticker. L in the chat for Airlift. I'm playing. W Airlift if y'all want to sponsor me, or True Heart if y'all want to sponsor me. I'm all here for it. And
Sponsor my boy.
I have Kansai wheels if y'all want to sponsor me too.
Sponsor my boy.
I am all here for it.
You.
KBD, you know what I'm saying? I got y'all bumper.
Hey, sponsor my boy.
Yeah.
Honda?
Hit me up.
Honda,
y'all want to sponsor me, bro?
Sponsor
like, bro.
boy.
Showcase coming soon this year. 2022, I will be in showcases. Some of this is just electrical stuff. Let's get straight to it. Right here is the management. The nice looking management. Some people hide their management, but I don't think I'm gonna hide it. I think the only thing I'm gonna hide is the compressor. This is the management right here.
Yes, sir.
And I went with the 3P, obviously. I was gonna do the
Whoa.
I was gonna do the 3S.
This thing got a lot of plugs.
I was gonna go with the 3S, which is just the controller, and you don't, not the controller, just the app, and you don't have a controller. But I didn't want to do that because. Did you actually kiss it? I heard it was better to go with the 3P one time while you can.
Apparently, Devin's ignition coil pack fell from underneath his car.
Why did he look it up and send you a picture of a coil pack to say? Why he didn't just say the coil pack?
I don't know.
He probably didn't know what it was. Devin, like I said earlier, I stand by my statement. If you are watching this, you are slow.
How?
How does that fall?
How does it start?
This is one of the most anticipated parts for me. I don't know why, but you know, I just think it's really cool. It is the Airlift 3P controller. Bam. I think it's pretty cool. You already know. You got all your little meanie. But I mean, that's pretty much the whole kit. Like I said, I'll be making a installation video with Chase's dad and then this lame person right here. Eventually, probably give us a few weeks or so, and then the KBD bumper will be going on once I start my body work, and then I will be wrapping the car, but I'm not telling y'all what color I'm wrapping the car. But I will be starting the body work here within January and putting my bumper on, and then I will be wrapping or maybe paint, more than likely wrapping the car eventually. So shout out to the homies that eventually, but
I was gonna say that.
shout out to the homies eventually. But I will be doing the body work and stuff. See, and once the whole build is done, I'm gonna be documenting the whole build, but I'm not obviously gonna tell y'all everything about the build because there's some stuff that's like some other stuff that I have planned for the build that I'm just not gonna tell nobody yet. So
let's start a GoFundMe for him to get him some Hot Boy wheels.
I got money to get me some Hot Boy wheels. This man is riding on stocks on both his cars. So if y'all want
the wheels though,
if y'all want to sponsor his build, Don't do it. Shout out to my Dukes, bro. I've had these stuff sitting in our dining room for over a month now. Anyways, without further ado, y'all have a great day, a great New Year's. I love y'all. Keep sharing this video because I'm trying to get, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build it up a little bit. But you know,
1K subscribers by August.
August? We'll try.
Come on, guys.
We'll try. Just keep sharing this video. I'm trying to be like you. Y'all, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Ow.
But I gotta snap back. If it don't stop, it's the pistol with the back.